Okay, swag.
Swagalicious. All right.
Why was
My
this
name
even
is
posted
Swagalicious. I'll be your host for tonight. All right, you ready?
So is Doctor Who really in like the Avengers universe now?
That's so fucking stupid. I heard about this Doctor Who shit in like Disney Plus, and I was like,
Yeah, how there's like a Disney Plus version now.
yeah, but why? Why?
I have a clip to show you from Microwave Society.
They know that Avengers is pretty much fucking like, or like Marvel's kind of dead now.
And
So they're bringing that shit on.
no, really.
Well, I don't know. I don't know for sure. Anyway.
Do you think you can keep an eye on my dear Slowpoke for a while? Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
We are back.
After
We had a little hiccup.
Yeah, another one.
Yeah. But I can take care of the Slowpoke. Oh shit! What am I? Not much going on, huh?
Yeah, it's vacant up there. Put up a Caesar. Thank you for keeping an eye on my dear Slowpoke. Here's this for your trouble. A big pearl from the lady.
Yay! I did nothing. I'm holding it wrong again. Okay.
There's the gym right there.
There it is.
That's
Wow, I was right fucking there.
Yeah, I know.
The rock solid. Okay, so
Head on aim and become a Pokemon champion.
sure, whatever. What does this say?
Pewter
Okay,
City.
Okay. Liverpool.
So you can go around them, or you can fight them if you want.
I'll fight him.
You have to get that delicious XP.
That delicious experience that
Oh,
my Pokemon love.
the
eating.
delicious experience. I forgot what it was.
Holy fuck! Ah! Come on. Okay.
Remember
yeah,
that
sure.
little kid we saw at the fucking
at the KFC?
KFC?
That was, yeah. So after we went to Guitar Center, stop. Oh.
After we went to Guitar Center, that was pretty cool. We went to eat at a KFC for Breggy.
Let's go deja vu.
And there was this like untamed like wild child who like was knocking over chairs and shit.
Yeah.
And I wasn't hoping that he'd fall over and crack his head open.
But it's just like
But
you're waiting for karma to come around.
Yeah, I was anticipating it, like
Yeah.
something happening, like the small child getting hurt.
Yeah.
And his dad was very like angry at him.
As soon as that first chair went down, he turned around and oh shit.
Yeah, as soon as that first chair went down.
I saw it happen too. I think I was waiting for you to get your second order, and just like I saw the fucking kid like hit the ground. Jesus Christ! I love Jesus.
Dude, they play so much like Christian. Like,
Oops.
Christian rock music at my fucking Christian rock, like a rock type. They should put Jesus in Pokemon. Make him a rock type. And have him be Christian rock.
He's a wood type.
Shmoopy poo, shmoopy poo, shmoopy poo pee poo. So KFC.
Oh,
also, yeah. That small child's dad was like reasonably angry.
He was also very like shaped, like a triangle.
Yeah.
Unlike that kid, I don't know. Everyone looked. He's not gonna. I have to interact with him. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you're here. I'm Brock, Pewter City's gym leader.
Hey, so you're here.
You can see just by looking at my Pokemon how rock hard my
will.
cock. Ah! Why is he like a dead pharaoh?
Well, in the first game, he was shirtless and he was going like this.
Check these out.
And then this is what he looks like in the anime.
Yeah, I recognize.
Pollo! Pollo!
Chicken!
You did your stackle!
No, no.
Tis but a scratch on Bellspringus.
Watch this. Alright, rock types. Get his ass.
You might not get so lucky next time.
Yeah.
And it looks like Onyx is faster than him.
Yay.
Just watch it absolutely vaporize you.
It's gonna be like take me down to fucking like 2 health.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was 10.
That barely did anything.
I was still scared. He's big and strong and rocky. Okay. There we go.
Why you did that? God!
Why you did that? Huh? Get the fuck out of my freezer! Wait, what, was it a fridge? I forgot.
Malik! What the fuck you doing? Get the fuck out of my good fridge! Where my meat at?
Where my meat? It's on the couch.
It's defrosting on the couch. Kakuna.
I would have whooped his ass. It seems I underestimated you. I got money.
Hooray, 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 hooray. Give me that. Cough it up, Brock. Cough up the badge,
I feel like I could see you, so I can give you the money.
Yeah, fucking imagine. I can't see you, so I can't hand you the money. What if you just hold it out in front of me so I can take it?
I just can't find my wallet.
Oh, yeah. How about you open your eyes? How insensitive. Get out of my gym and give me back the badge.
You don't deserve any of this for being so insensitive.
Fuck you. Do you like Panda Express, Eevee? I suppose it does.
Have a berry. Have a berry. Have a berry. This is so hard, have a berry.
By the Godzilla.
By the Godzilla. This Eevee fucking loves raspberries. Oh man, Zoidberg's
hey,
voice is
you there, newbie.
Boobies.
Holy shit, it's him.
Oh my god, it's Cloud! I'm always right. I'm bread.
My name is Bread.
That's not funny.
You'll never be able to be better. Those will even better. Those will be even better for catching.
Are you okay, Blue?
The old plain Pokemon.
Do I need to call a doctor?
Hey,
how many fucking kids does this guy have?
He used to make me scribble on a map with a pencil where I encountered the Pokemon. You better do a good job helping him out, or he may be Professor Oak to you. And sure, he's an old coot, but he's still my Gramps. Smell you later, newbie.
He just walks away. He doesn't even
crop dusts you. Smell you later.
Smell you later, newbie. Bye.
What the fuck is my man?